I'm Kavita Ralhan. In this video, I will be talking about Power Grind WG907 from the brand Preeti. We all know Preeti is a very popular brand. It's a brand which was established in 1978 and it exports its product to more than 15 countries in the whole world. Now, this is a tabletop grinder which has a very compact design, and the good thing about this grinder is you get an atta kneader free attachment with this one. So not only you can make batter for idli, dosa, vada, you can also prepare dough at home. There is a 5-year warranty on the motor of this product and 2-year warranty on the product. I will be talking about this product in detail in this video, so let's check it out. Now this grinder is a tabletop grinder and it is very compact in design. It comes with a stainless steel drum. There is a transparent lid, so you can see how much grinding has been done, how much more grinding is left. So again, this transparent lid. Now this comes with cylindrical rotating stones. Now these are the stones that basically grind the dal or the rice that you have put in, the batter. Now all you have to do is, once you get the product at home and before putting the batter inside it, I would really recommend that you clean it with soap and water. So what you do after you put the main stainless steel drum on the center shaft, after putting the rotating stone, you put soap and water and you switch on the button. And after a few minutes of rotating, you must clean it nicely and then you must dry it nicely. And also, after it has been completely dried, before making the batter for the first time at home, you must put some oil inside it. Once the oiling is done, the oil also cleans the minute particles that are inside the stone and all. After that, you can take out the oil and then you can clean it, and then it is ready to use. You can make idli, dosa and vada batter inside it very nicely. Now this also comes with this atta kneader attachment. It's a great attachment. Many a times we want to prepare dough at home, but it is very tiresome if you do it manually. But with this attachment, you just have to put this attachment inside and you have to put the lid back and you have to just switch it on. It is very simple. In the same drum you can knead dough also, and in the same drum you can prepare batter also for idli, dosa and vada. So if you wish to make batter at home, then it is very simple to use. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video and stay tuned in for more videos.